Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make homemade hummus. It is so easy, so delicious, just a few easy ingredients, and once you make it homemade, you will never want store-bought again. Come with me, let me show you how. Here's a list of things you'll need before we get started. We're going to first drain and wash 1 can of chickpeas. Once that's done, you're going to go ahead and add those to a blender. And then you're just going to go ahead and add a clove of garlic. The size just depends on how much you like garlic. Next, you'll be adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You're going to follow that with a ½ teaspoon of salt. Next up, we have the co-star of the show, tahini. You want to make sure this is creamy tahini and add in 1/3 of a cup. I love smoked paprika in my hummus, and this smoked paprika is so delicious from Trader Joe's. Just a couple of sprinkles because it's powerful. And because I'm making spicy hummus, we're going to do a couple of sprinkles of chili flakes. Next, we're going to add in some lemon. Make sure you roll and press your lemons to release the juices inside before juicing them. Then go ahead and add in 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. You can add more if you want more of a lemon flavor. And then 3 tablespoons of water to start. If you find your mixture is too thick, stop your blender, add in 1 or 2 more tablespoons of water, and then give it a good stir with a spoon. Go ahead and start your blender again. You want it nice and smooth, where it starts looking like this. Again, I'm making spicy hummus, so I'm adding about a teaspoon or 2 of Sriracha. As you're mixing your hummus, you're going to want it nice and smooth. Once you see it creamy like this, it's done. Now all that's left is to enjoy. Enjoy your hummus with some fresh veggies or naan bread. It's totally up to you. But it's so good and creamy, you're gonna love it. That is so good. Make it, it's a perfect snack for summer. No heating up your kitchen. Trust me. Until next time, happy cooking. Bye.